good morning, guys. Good morning to you all. I'm here in the farm this morning. It's a moving time now. It's time for action because we got some rain. So I'm gonna show you this section of time. Some of you already know how this section of time is so good. Because of what happened, because of the dry season that we went through, no rain. I'm gonna show you guys here what happened right here, right? So if you realize, not looking as good as how it used to be, because when no rain you can't plant. But I'm telling you, I had to be so wise concerning right here. If you realize that I have time right here, right? So I plant it without the grass because the time was drying up, right? And we were just waiting for the rain to fall, and there was no rain, and the time was drying up. So I had to move so quick and just plant it. And I said that when it catch off now, I would just grass it. So this is just a wise move for me not to lose my time plant, right? Because this is how person really lose their time plant. When you can't plant it and it's drying up, you end up lose it. And I'm telling you, I try my best not to lose things when I put into the soil. Morning. So what I did, I just plant it out, and I said when I get it catch. So if you realize the time catch is just for to get the grass now. Just give it maybe like a month time. Yeah, and then I can just grass it through. So over here, even my scallion dried up. I have to replant some. I only get back a few row out of it. If you realize, I don't know if you're seeing it right now. I'm trying to let you see it. So see there. So this is what happened. So we have to just go ahead now and start putting the work again. I think we have little sweet pepper here because we have to get it weed out, right? Yes. So guys, we have to put in the work now, because we were unable to do so, right? Couple months now. So we have to just put in the work now. This is farmer life. There is a time where things just stop, right? But this is the time where we are moving, and I'm telling the time catch really good. Man, look at it. It's just now to get it, looking good now. See there, catch. So I'm telling you, it was such a good idea. Because I'm telling you, guys, I would have lost all this time plant, and the price now is $500, right? So you can imagine how much money I would have to go back and spend to get back time plant. Or if you realize I plant another section, so that is wise for me to do. So I still have this section to plant right here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it down, guys, and plant it, right? But we're gonna use the grass this time right here instead of no grass. and get it looking wonderful again. So I will just let you know and let you see right when we get it in order. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and please like up this video. You're interested in farming, like up this video to learn some more, and please leave a comment. God richly bless you. Blessing everyone.